Join me as I challenge myself to finger paint a detailed night landscape on canvas, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. In this video, you'll learn how to create a beautiful night landscape using finger painting techniques with watercolor on canvas. Many beginners struggle with traditional painting methods, feeling intimidated by brushes and techniques. Finger painting offers a fun and approachable alternative. It's amazing how freeing it can be to ditch the brushes and explore the versatility of your own fingers. You'll be surprised at how easily you can create smooth blends and textures. I remember when I first started finger painting, I was blown away by how quickly I could achieve the effects I wanted. And the best part is, you don't need any special training or experience, just a willingness to get creative and have fun. One of the biggest advantages of finger painting is that it allows you to connect with the paint on a more intimate level. You can feel the texture of the canvas, the coolness of the watercolor, and the subtle nuances of color blending. It's a truly immersive experience that can be very therapeutic. Plus, it's a great way to loosen up and get out of your comfort zone, which is essential for growing as an artist. I've found that finger painting also helps me tap into my imagination and creativity. Without the constraints of traditional painting methods, I feel more free to experiment and try new things. And that's exactly what we'll be doing in this video, exploring the possibilities of finger painting and seeing where it takes us. We'll go through the materials you'll need, the step-by-step process of building your landscape, and tips for blending colors and creating depth. To get started, you'll need a few simple materials, a canvas, some watercolor paint, and a palette or plate for mixing. You can also use a spray bottle to add an extra layer of texture and blending to your painting. The key to creating a realistic night landscape is to focus on layering and building up your colors gradually. We'll start with a dark blue base coat and then add layers of lighter blues and purples to create depth and atmosphere. From there, we can add stars, a moon, and even some subtle hints of color to bring the painting to life. As we work through the process, be sure to experiment and try new things. That's the beauty of finger painting. Don't be afraid to get messy or make mistakes, they're all part of the creative process. And remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the techniques and the better your paintings will become. Watch as the painting comes to life with the addition of stars and a glowing moon, showcasing the magic of finger painting. I love this part of the process. It's like witnessing a little miracle unfold on canvas. The stars add a sense of wonder and mystery to the painting, and the moon provides a beautiful focal point. Together, they create a sense of drama and atmosphere that draws the viewer in. As we add the final touches to our painting, take a step back and admire your handiwork. You've created something truly beautiful. Finger painting is all about embracing the unexpected and having fun, so don't be too hard on yourself if your painting doesn't turn out exactly as you envisioned. The imperfections are all part of the charm. We've explored how to create a detailed night landscape using finger paint. Join me as I challenge myself to create a stunning night landscape using just finger painting techniques. Can I make it look like a masterpiece? In this video, you'll learn how to create a stunning night landscape using finger painting techniques, perfect for all skill levels. Many beginners struggle with traditional painting methods, feeling intimidated by brushes and complex techniques. It's easy to get discouraged when your brushstrokes don't turn out as expected or when you're unsure of which colors to use. You might even feel like you need to have a natural talent for art to create something beautiful. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass all those frustrations and still create a breathtaking piece of art? Finger painting is an amazing way to express your creativity without feeling overwhelmed by painting techniques. You don't need any special skills or experience, just your fingers and a willingness to get a little messy. And the best part is, it's super relaxing and fun. So why do traditional art methods sometimes feel so inaccessible? I think it's because we put too much pressure on ourselves to create perfect, realistic art. But art is all about experimentation and self-expression. Finger painting is a great way to break free from those expectations and just enjoy the process of creating. We'll explore the materials you'll need, basic finger painting techniques, and step-by-step instructions to create your night landscape. Don't worry if you've never painted before, I'll guide you through every step of the way. We'll start with the basics, and before you know it, you'll be creating your own stunning night sky. The materials you'll need are pretty simple, just a piece of paper, some paint, and your fingers. You can use watercolor paper or even just regular printing paper, whatever you feel comfortable with. The paint is also up to you. You can use finger paint or even acrylic paint. For our night landscape, we'll focus on creating a beautiful sky with stars and a subtle moon. We'll use a combination of swirling motions and gentle pressing to get the desired effect. And don't worry if it doesn't turn out perfectly at first, that's all part of the process. As we work on our night landscape, remember to take your time and have fun. Don't be too hard on yourself if things don't turn out exactly as you imagined. The beauty of finger painting lies in its unpredictability. You never quite know what you're going to get. The highlight of this tutorial will be the moment you see your night landscape come to life as you add the finishing touches. It's amazing how a few simple finger strokes can create a sense of depth and atmosphere. You'll be surprised at how quickly your painting transforms from a blank piece of paper to a stunning work of art. As we get closer to the end of our tutorial, you might start to feel a sense of excitement and pride in what you've created. And that's exactly what finger painting is all about, enjoying the process and being proud of what you've accomplished. Remember, finger painting is all about experimentation and having fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes, they're all part of the process. And when you're finished with your night landscape, be sure to share it with me on social media. I'd love to see what you've created. We'll recap the key techniques used in this tutorial and remind you how accessible and enjoyable finger painting can be. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to try something new, finger painting is the perfect way to express your creativity and relax at the same time. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out my other videos for more creative tutorials.